Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. So today is 15 November 2022, so market is quiet. Okay, expected because election is coming this Saturday, right? And we don't see a very strong a coalition, a strong party that very likely to win, right? Majority, okay, very likely to win majority, right? So we do think that there are certain parties slightly stronger, but majority is unlikely. That's why as institution, all this, they are not going to jump in. You jump in, you lean one side, okay, this side win, you're going to get chopped, right? If you lean this side win, you're going to get chopped. So better wait and see, okay? Once we know who is the winner, then only jump in. And also, if the winning, if we don't get majority, right, okay, slim, if the, how do we call it, if the votes are, okay, at the end of the day, it's very slim, right, the winning seat, right, you also have to be careful. Our market also will be very cautious, because we know all this Malaysia, when we don't have a strong majority government, right, a lot of things will happen behind. A lot of things will happen behind. Okay, thank you for subscribing to this this KS Auto Profit chart analysis program. Very good response. So if you already send me message, if you really fill in the form, I haven't respond to you, okay, I'm sorry. I will definitely try to respond to you by tonight, because of course I in the morning I have to look at the market, I have to do research on the market, all these things so I cannot all the time respond to you because I'm not a cost marketing company. Only sell cost to you, nothing else to do, sit here and wait for you to call and sell cost to you, right? You see, because I myself is investor, it's a trader investor, so I have trading investing also to do my work a bit, okay. My research I still have to do it because I don't want US tornado US tornado, China tornado, also we don't know China earthquake, stock market earthquake I'm not saying the physical earthquake, China stock market earthquake, US stock market tornado also we don't know just like the FTX, the Bitcoin, the Bitcoin, this cryptocurrency, right, big crash, right, big crash. You a lot of people, right, if you're a long-term investor, let's talk a bit of a story if you're a very long-term investor, right, if you're in the market for long time, right, you actually welcome crash, right? Okay, if you're scared of market crash, then you could be a new investor. Okay, you don't know. The most money investor make is after a market crash. The further it crash, the better it is. So don't worry about market crash. Okay, don't worry about market crash. Market crash is the best time for you to buy. Okay, like of course now what crash? Now it's cryptocurrency. Talk about the cryptocurrency story Okay, cryptocurrency drop. Okay, big crash, right? Big crash. We take a quick look. You see the message is still coming in. This is a message for the auto profit for the auto profit cost one. Okay, I'll get back to you as soon as possible because I'm I'm not a marketing company selling you cost just a whole day selling you cost. Okay, I do everything from the hard one. It's not, I'm not a sales marketing company selling you cost. So I do everything. I write everything. I want to help people that dive in, lose money, don't know what happened, come out. There's a story I tell you last time I tell you, share one story. I got one friend very good friend when I was young I was my colleague. He was my colleague. He was he came back from, not mistaken, he came back from Australia. He's a graduate accounting. He come back and he worked in the same company with me. So we are quite close friends. After work, we always go play snooker when we're young. That time 20 over years old. Always after work we go play snooker. 2-3 guys. He's one of the guys. He's a very nice guy. He's very protective of me because he's older than me. He's very protective of me, and he's very fun hanging with him. Hanging with him is very fun. And he got a girlfriend from Hong Kong, I think. Because he went to study overseas. And he come back with overseas graduate, so the future look very bright. So what happened? Someone introduced him to play stock market, and he want to, he want to jump the gun. He want to he want to make a lot of money very fast. Because what happened was, I think his girlfriend, right, not mistaken, is a Hong Kong, Hong Kong, right, they are a bit kiasu also lah. I'm not saying Hong Kong people are kiasu lah, but a little bit more kiasu, like our kiasu friend, a little bit more kiasu, right? So he want to go up to that status, right? So he have to make, you see, just working as accounting at after a fresh graduate, right? He couldn't earn a lot, right? Okay, so he jumped the gun. He very rushed. He jumped the gun, and he jumped in the market. Just listen to tip. What happened? Okay, he spent he lost all his money. Never mind. Because after he lost all his money, right? He also owe a lot of money. He also how do you call it? Borrow. Okay, borrow from a lot of people. Okay, borrow from a lot of people to play the stock market. Okay, after he lost the money, you know what he did? He took the company money. He took some, because it's account, right? So he managed to actually take out the company money, okay, and put his account. And what happened after he take out the money? He ran. Okay, he ran overseas lah. We don't know where he's. Until now, I never seen him lah. I don't know where what happened to him. He took the money. We know that he ran because he was at the airport. He called one of his friend, tell his friend that he's at the airport. He's leaving Malaysia. So after that, nobody know where he goes until now lah. But he could be very successful now, but nobody know. But he was a very bright graduate from Australia, having quite a good job, starting to climb the corporate ladder. He was account executive lah. Of course, when he come back fresh, he cannot be manager, right? So slowly, then very very nice guy. I always hang out with him, lunch, hang out with him after work, go play snooker. Very decent guy. And what happened? He lose all the money. Then he borrow money also. He lose all the money. Then what he did? Okay, he took the company money and run. Okay, how we know? Because after they check the account, right? After they check the accounting balancing, right? So what happened was short of money. Okay, then they go and check where the money went. He go and take those money, right? Transfer to his account. Somehow he do it lah. There's a lot of ways to do lah. Because accounting, there's a lot of ways to do. Last time, now all digital, maybe more difficult. But last time it's quite easy lah. You want to, take the company money, a lot of cash in the company, all these things lah. So you just take the cash and bank in, then after bank in, of course, the company will know, but he already ran. So overseas already. Because he came back from overseas, so he got the jalan, but that's what happened to him lah. Don't be too optimistic. Learn the proper kung fu, learn everything, okay, understand what you're doing, okay, look at the chart, look at where is the danger, okay, where is the opportunity, where is the danger, and make sure know how to cut, okay, don't bleed out, okay. Once you got cut, somebody cut you with a knife, you don't go see doctor, it will bleed until you fainted maybe, and die. So have to, if you lose money, make sure cut and go to see doctor. So this is a story lah. Where am I? Talk too much story today. Oh yeah, Bitcoin. We're talking about Bitcoin. Yep. Yeah, talking about investing in Bitcoin. Well, that was a long time ago story lah. When I was very young hanging out at snooker lah. When I was young, that time snooker and what video game center, youngster. Nowadays snooker center also no more, very less. This what snooker center no more. This video game center also no more already. Now people play PlayStation at home already. Nobody want to go. Got lah cyber cafe, still got lah cyber cafe, right? Okay, story already finished. Okay, Bitcoin. Take a look at Bitcoin. Okay. Okay, so Bitcoin once the last peak went to 68,000. Okay, so everyone talking about 100. KT Katie Woods, you know, right? Katie Woods, right? The Warren Buffett is the man version of the god, what they call it, the god of the god of investor, right? The god of investor. This is the goddess of investor, right? Okay, she's talking about last cycle 100 over, but didn't reach lah. But they are still very optimistic lah. If we go to 100 you see if you pick bottom if this one drop to what I say 4,000. I'm not saying this is very safe. Okay, it's very safe. Okay, but you pick one time correct okay, you pick one time correct let's say you come down to 7,000 or big crash 7,000, right? You pick one time correct better than you play every day flip the stock okay, flip 100 times. Okay, if it drops down to 4,000, right? Let's say Katie Woods Katie Woods say right okay, the next cycle Katie Woods I think predicted around 150,000. Let's say only 100, we really go 150,000 Katie Woods okay, Katie Woods I think she predicted around 150, I think 150, 160, not mistaken they always change when market go bad they will talk about, they'll change. Okay, so if it really drop to 7,000, right? You look at the number slowly yeah, I shouldn't use this chart this one you can't see, sorry, I use the other chart. You talk too much story you guys like to hear story or not? You don't like to hear story, want to go away straight away, listen to only the chart, then I talk less story okay, let's say Katie Woods the goddess of all investment Wall Street okay, 150,000 it really can go let's say here, right? If let's say it really crashed to 7,000 some even say 4,000 I put 7,000 to be safe okay, let's say it really in the next 5 years it really go back to 150,000 okay, you look at the percent again I draw up the percent I put out the 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 1,000 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,008, 1,009, 2,000. Oops, press the wrong button, sorry again here, okay, here up to almost 2,000. If it goes a bit higher, okay, 2,000%, okay, 2,000 1,009 I just tell you 1,009%, okay, 1,009%, 1,009%. If you invest 50,000 percent is 950,000 Did I do wrong or not this calculation? If I do wrong, you let me know okay. So so I calculate again you say you put 50,000 okay, times 1900%, right? It's 950,000 that is how all the young crypto billionaire, drive Lamborghini, I'm not saying you must put 50,000 is a lot for a lot of people for a lot of people it's very little for a lot of people it's a lot it depends on your on your affordability and you have to know crypto there is possibility go to 0 just like FTX FTX exchange bankrupt so they might not be able to pay you back the money because it's not regulated by bank government okay. If a Malaysia bank go bust, okay, the government will support, right, will bail them out. So this one there's no bail them out so you might go to 0 okay. So I'm not saying you must put 50,000 I'm not saying you must put 50,000, okay, but this is the potential how investor make the big money during a crash. Not every day go and chase 5, 10, 20%, 5, 10, 20, 30. That one, yes, we can play. Okay, we can play. That one, I mean, this is investor. I'm talking about investor, not trader. Okay, you are trader, then different. Yes, you every day you trade, make the 5-10%, combine every month you make 20, 30, 20, or you make here a few percent trade. You flip lah, keep on flipping lah. Loss win, negative, positive, negative, positive. Then every month maybe you can gain 10%, 20% like that lah. But those long-term investor, they make a lot. They are not, a lot is not trader. It seems like they show you they're trader, but they are not trader. Of course, they do trade, but the majority of big money they earn, okay, is from this. It's from a market crash, then the rebound. Okay, they are making this 2,000%. Okay, every day we flip 2,000, okay. Can if you are very good trader. If you are very good trader, you use the auto profit, you learn all the kung fu. Okay, you are auto profit, you know how to learn how to sell buy. Okay, using auto profit or candlestick pattern, you can. Okay, but you have to keep some of your money for this type of crash. This type of crash is the best time to make the big gain. Okay, of course, zero or hero. Okay, zero or hero. You have to know zero or hero. How do you put hero right there? Okay, zero or hero. Okay, I'm not saying you must sell your house, sell everything for this. Sell everything for this. I'm not saying that. Okay, but you got 100%. Let's say your portfolio 100%. Okay, a lot of the latest now, right? You're hearing a lot of investors, those US famous investors, they are putting 10%. In the crypto. Okay, this is not buy sell advice. I'm just seeing the chart. I'm just showing the chart what are the possibility. But crypto, as I said, can go zero or hero. Can go 0-1. But if it become a hero, then you know how these people drive the Ferrari. Okay, a lot of them is not day trader. Day trader is not very easy to drive Ferrari. Okay, so welcome the crash, find the opportunity during the crash, and here I come back again, promote my promote my course, right? Okay, this one I got talk. This secret value investing strategy, part of it is to pick the crash. Okay, pick the stock, pick the right asset. Okay, how to see the chart that this market is the right time. Okay, or the near the right time to pick the bottom. Okay, if it's the right time, or is the next best thing to the right time. Next best thing to the right time means now maybe you use this strategy, you come in, you buy in, it's not the bottom yet, but it's very near the bottom. Okay, it might drop a little bit more. Okay, if the asset doesn't go bust, means it doesn't go bankrupt. If it go bankrupt, nothing can talk. If the stock is strong one, you're buying something that you think cannot go bankrupt one. This business cannot go bankrupt. Okay, if you haven't picked the top, it's almost certain that it's next to the bottom. Okay, means second best to the bottom. Okay, so when we rebound back, we are almost picking the bottom. Nobody know when it's the bottom. Nobody know. You ask everybody lah. You go and ask all the Wall Street sifu. Is Bitcoin the bottom now? Nobody can tell you. Okay, they tell you, they only predict like me only. We predict only because we know history always repeat ma. Okay, history always rebound at this area ma. So we think that this is an area. Can anyone confirm? Nobody there to confirm. So, okay, wow, a lot of story. Today talk a lot of story. But today don't worry. Today the show is very short only. Today the show is very short. Okay. Okay, let's check out the introduction first. If you haven't subscribed, everything I know, everything I talk to you about, every story I tell you, everything, every strategy, everything I know is here. 2 years. Okay, 2 years. Okay, 018-392-3129. Or you fill in the form. in the Facebook, you have the form, you fill in the form first, okay, then after you fill in the form, you let me know, okay, WhatsApp me and let me know, okay, fill in the form, and 999 999 is no brainer lah. For this kind of for me to write this kind of content 999 is no brainer no need to think because if anyone else marketing company selling you will be cannot be 999 lah will be this, okay. Okay, because I use technology, then I'm only doing myself. I'm not a marketing company. I don't need to pay 10%, you know. So I can give you this cost for 999. Oh, okay. Okay, let's check out introduction first. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. And do take note, peak bottom market crash. It's not 3 days, it's not 3 weeks, it's not 3 months, it's 3 years, 5 years one. Don't expect you can make a 2,000% in 1 week. Okay, don't expect you can make this one in 1 week. Be realistic Be realistic how strong you are. How strong you are trading, how good you are. Also be realistic This will not happen Okay, but if you got the patience, okay, you got the patience. You know how to spot the opportunity. You know how to see the chart where is the best opportunity. Okay, and you can how do we call it okay, you can actually anticipate this future growth. Okay, future growth, right? Okay, you buy at the bottom, you just sit and wait. The money you can see every week it go up down you don't see every day you up down you see one month or long term, right? 1 week you see one time, 1 week you see one time. You can see it's like a piggy bank. People keep on putting money into the piggy bank. Every week people put money into piggy bank. Oh, so much story you don't like the story, you let me know. Today not many things Today's why I also Jax okay, take a look at Jax today not a lot of things Mr. DIY doing very well Mr. DIY not in Malaysia only, you know. Mr. DIY in Europe got, I think got a Middle East, Turkey got a lot so very successful one of the most successful story. Okay, KLCI today dropped 13 point election fear, like I said 0.919 because we don't see a clear majority winner for up to now Okay, Singapore up 0.444, Hong Kong big gain 4.106, South Korea 0.23 up, all up all up except Malaysia Japan 0.095 up, Thailand 0.370 up, Philippines 1.01 up, China FTSE 1.598 up, SSE China 1.644 up, SXSE China 2.140 up, Australia 0.066 drop, Indonesia 0.229 up, New Zealand 0.064 up, Taiwan 2.620 up, India 0.405 up so all strong except Malaysia expected still quite, all the Asia still quite strong. FTSE UK 0.133 up. DAX drop already 0.129, not so good. So Dow Jones yesterday, US drop 0.626. NYSE drop 0.806. S&P drop 0.894. Nasdaq drop 1.123. So we're not very good. Palm oil today up a bit, 4,173. Brent oil drop 92.22. Crude oil drop 84.46. 76, sorry. Oil I think KO already. Oil I think KO already. I think on the drop. Later we're going to see the chart. Okay, gold 1778. Silver 22.03. Okay, so go up and up a bit. Go. Okay, let's look at the sector. Sector horrible. Sector sentiment 38. Gainers 332. Losers 541. Look at that. Boom. 2.781 billion. Volume 14.50. So today whole day is selling down. Everyone running. Scared of a hung government. Consumer 0.22 drop. Industry 0.27 drop. Construction 0.32 drop. Technology 1.07 drop. Finance 0.72 drop. Property 0.38 drop. Plantation 0.42 up. REIT 0.29 up. Energy 0.86 drop. Healthcare big drop 2.27. Telco drop 1.25, and transportation also drop 0.82. Utilities drop 0.15. Okay, so technology quite a big drop. We take a look. Okay, technology might reach a bottom already. So tech got chance. Tech we got a double bottom here. Okay, so there is a possible of a bottom here for technology. Possible of a bottom, but you need to show that it can go through to 61.68. Okay, 61.68. Healthcare. Oh, this is bad. Wow, bearish engulfing. Divergence. This is bad. Okay, so now 1602 need to support. Okay, 1602 need to support. If it can support 1602, means this one is still a bottom. Means still the bottom already formed. It can still go up. Drop below 1602, then I'm not sure already. This one might drop some more. Okay, so it can be dropped, but it cannot drop below 1602. The best not to drop below 1602. Mine's 1006. Okay. Now it's still okay. 1D drop doesn't mean it's totally KO. Telco also dropping. Telco also double top here at the RSI, not so good. I think Telco also finished the pump. Already. Never mind, we got a channel here. Okay, if you don't drop outside the channel, problem. Okay, if it's still inside this channel, still okay. Still okay for now. Okay, so see got any comment? I think today no much comment. Everybody busy looking at this election stock. So US also two governor. One governor is bullish, one governor is bearish. Not so bullish. Okay, one say they are not going to soften the commitment to lower inflation, but one say possible they are going to slow down it will be appropriate to slow down the increase. So we got mixed sentiment from the US Fed member. Okay, CGS-CIMB expect Velastor to secure more during job. Okay, add to at 13.5. At 13.5. So they're giving add call. Add call for Velastor. 13.5 is quite high. Velastor, right? Cannot be 13.5. 13.5 cents. Sorry. 13.5 cents. So 1.35. Okay, 1.35. 0.135. Okay, 0.1. I already reached 0.135 already today, so nothing much lah. Nothing much lah. Okay, already reached already. 0.1. But there's a head and shoulder lah. Still got chance to go lah. This one. We got a minor head and shoulder here. Still got chance to go. Top profit. Okay, still no sell signal. Still okay. Okay. Let's see. Petronas gets impacted by increasing fuel gas price. Okay, so this one they give a unchanged target price. Whole call only 17.85 Petronas. Petronas gas this who Hong Leong Petronas gas. $18.5. Still okay, still quite high. Okay, still okay lah. But you need to break through 17.17. These are sideways, so you need to go through this sideways first. You need to break out from this. Means starting to go above, then only possible you got a chance to go lah. Okay, RSP see lower core earning for MGB because labor shortage. Okay, MGB, so they are still giving buy call but 62 cents. MGB. $0.62 is still quite high. Okay, now it's 0.62. Okay, 0.62 lah. Still got my small gap to go lah. %17. Okay, oil price a little change amid China concern and supply woes. So this oil not doing so well. Look at the oil index. Okay, oil have to hold 83. If it drop below 83, finish. Okay, hopefully it don't drop. So all the bank already increased the rate. Okay, after this announcement, this bank already Bank Negara increased the rate. So AFFIN Bank declares a big dividend 400 million, the biggest in Malaysia bank. Okay. So demand for gold bar increase increased 30% this year. Say habit jewel so everybody is buying gold. Everybody scared the market. Yeah, because Bitcoin drop. Stock market drop, everything drop so they buy gold. Okay, let's take a quick look at this cost before we jump in to see the momentum stock. I drink some water first. Take a quick look at this auto profit cost. Are you playing the stock market? The stock market playing you. Okay, just now the person lost over 80,000 USD. That is almost 380k ringgit. So we don't want that to happen to you. I also don't want that to happen to you. Okay, my cost already done. So let's check out the detail. Okay, of course you want to know what's included in the KS Auto Profit chart analysis course. The first thing, there is 15 video. I recorded 15 videos. Okay, trading view, support resistance, chart pattern, channel strategy, breakout strategy, value investment, fundamental analysis, everything that you need to diagnose a chart. Okay, to see the chart, to see the performance of the asset. Okay, most important of course because smart MCDX, how to use smart MCDX and how to use my auto profit strategy. Okay, auto profit strategy is a strategy that I developed my own to track the stock. Okay, so this one also I will include. All total is 15 15 chapters. So this one you can watch until you understand. This is online. Means I already done the video. I give you access. You can online to watch 100 times, 200 times. It's up to you. This is not a course. You go there 3 hours, 5 hours. After finish the training, you come out, you forget everything. Okay, most likely every training I go, I think I can only capture 20%, 30% maximum lah. No, but I don't think anyone can capture 100% what the trainer say, right? Okay, this one is online. Okay, you can watch it 100 times. It's up to you. 100, 200 times. It's up to you. Unlimited. Okay, and also secondly, I will give you this one, special value investment strategy. Okay, this one I use to invest long term, almost guarantee win. Okay, almost guarantee win. Okay, this one you must learn. Even you are short-term trader also, but there are some time that we need to invest for the long term. The long-term strategy, as I said, is 5 years, 3, 5, 10 years one. It's not 3, 5 weeks, 3, 5 months. Okay, invest long-term. It's very powerful. You must learn this. Of course, I will give you this auto profit strategy, smart MCDX, and auto profit signal. Okay, and also include 2 hour Zoom class. Okay, so this one, everyone expect this one must be a $5,000 cost. 5 to 10,000, maybe $10,000 cost. Okay, because all this I'm doing for my viewers, my YouTube viewers. You supported me so long. Okay, from 1 viewer to over 10,000 viewers. So I'm giving you special 999. Okay, 999 normal price. Of course, there's a normal price of 168. Okay, this 999 only valid for November promotion. November. Okay, I want you to grab this opportunity, go through all the 15 chapter and learn this very powerful secret investing strategy. Very, very good price, 999. This is no-brainer lah. Don't need to think about it lah. Those free course, you go free course, they tell you free course, they only teach you these two only. The first 2 chapter is free. Then all the rest are 5,000, 3,000 plus 3,000 plus 3,000, then go up to 6 to 10,000. So everything, all this 999. Okay, you don't even need to think about it. I want to put something. I want to put a price that everybody can do, everybody can afford, everybody can learn. Don't jump into something that you got no idea. You got zero idea. Okay, what this business is about, what is this all about? Then you jump in with zero knowledge. Okay, you learn this long term, definitely you can survive. Do remember, join the class, WhatsApp me. Okay, this is my WhatsApp number 018-392-3129. Okay, this is the number, or you go to the website. There is the link there. There's a form there. Okay, if you don't want to use WhatsApp, you can click the form and fill in the form, and okay, we will contact you so you can proceed with the class. Okay, so very simple only. Fill in the form, WhatsApp me the payment slip, and WhatsApp me the payment slip. Then I'll send you the information. Okay, information on how to update. What are the requirements, all those things Okay, so very simple only. Okay, so now we want to see momentum stock. Okay, today we got sign on JEX and OPCOM. Also we take a look JEX and OPCOM later. We got story. We got JEX and OPCOM. Hey, why so slow? Excuse me. Okay, JEX. Okay, JEX. Yeah, JEX maybe got chance. Got chance. JEX looks earning coming good but cannot. I don't see can go very far Okay, 0.29, 0.295, possible 0.34. OPCOM is very scary. OPCOM. Oh, okay. OPCOM already broke out. Okay, but not very good not very strong I'm not very keen also looking at this. Okay, so there is a trend line here as long as stay above this trend line, should be okay. Should be okay for now. Okay, look at a momentum stock sign. Sign continue to go up. So this one you use it's best to use the auto profit signal to chase lah. Sign should continue vertical up lah. Vertical up. Okay. So continue okay for sign for now. MSC also very strong suddenly. 16%. Okay. We are earning because of the earning. Because of earning. Can it still go? 1.765 is a resistance. So if it goes through this one, maybe it still can go. If it cannot go through, then could be one day play. UNW. UNW really drop. As I said UNW is here only it's playing here only. Bottom top only Buy the bottom, sell the top. Okay, Berjaya Food. Berjaya Food still want to pump very strong Berjaya Food Okay. So Berjaya Food, let me see. Okay, I think Berjaya Food is doing this. I think still want to go Hong Leong Bank price, I think still can go If you got auto profit, use auto profit to track to track. Okay, if you don't have, you use the red candle, big red candle out For now, maybe I think if let's look at the channel, there's a possible this is a big channel. Okay, this is a big channel. I think this one Hong Leong target really got chance to go okay. It need to stay above 0.990 If it drop below 0.990, it's a forced break. Forced break, then out. If it can stay above, then it should be okay. Bonia. Berjaya Food and Bonia. Let's say Bonia can rebound. Okay, Bonia, I said bottom here, it will rebound up to here, the top channel. Okay, if we can break out from here, then I think it can go. You watch Bonia. Bonia. Okay, Bonia. So there is a resistance over 2.15. You watch. If we can break through 2.15, it might want to go for the year end. Year end rebound. Okay. Okay. So that's it for today. Okay. So remember, want to subscribe. Okay. Just fill in the form. Okay. The form here in this below at this video website. My website tradingwithks.com. Facebook all can find so don't think 999. Okay, some opportunity. Okay, 9999. You might want to think 9999. You might want to think 999 for so many things. No need to think Okay, talk to you tomorrow. Bye bye.